You might want to offer WordPress maintenance services. So we're talking about WordPress backups, WordPress security, WordPress updates, database maintenance, website health and functionality, content changes and SEO. So it's something that you might like to do and offer as a web designer. So content changes, SEO, website health and functionality, database maintenance, WordPress updates, WordPress security, and WordPress backups. So if you want, just copy this and have it all rewritten free in writer.io. Just change the word in, and Google won't penalize you for duplicate content then.